So I'm getting ready to start on my gatar or my sugar sweet sauce. This is for my desserts later. I'm gonna be making some knafeh. You guys can check out my other video. So my equation is this. I do 2 cups of sugar. This here is a cup size. So 2 cups of sugar to 1.5 cups of water. I'm gonna be using about 4 cups of sugar total, which puts me at 3 cups of water. Give this a good mix. And start your heat. So once your water and sugar are boiling, you add about a teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm just doing this by eye, about that much. So I didn't juice the whole thing, about a teaspoon only. And you let this boil for 5 minutes. The reason you add the lemon juice is this is what helps keeps it preserved for a longer period of time. So this has been boiling for about 5 more minutes now, and I'm gonna add some rose water into it. I'm gonna be doing about 1 tablespoon, so I'm just gonna do about that much. You let this boil for 5 more minutes, and then you turn it off. So this is about 5 more minutes later. I'm gonna turn this off, cover it, and you guys, this is ready to use. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please comment, like, and subscribe.